I'm going to show you exactly how you can log in and create an account with Grabify. So first, using the link down in the description, you'll be taken to this page. Now, you can see it asks for a username or email as long as the password. However, if you do not have an account, you must register here. After clicking that button, you must enter your username, create a password, confirm your password once again, enter your email, and then confirm your email again. Now, before you do this, you want to take a read through the terms of service. After reading the terms of service and privacy policy, if you agree, you accept by clicking the box here and then press register. Now, if you run into this error, you need to make sure your username only contains letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores. And then, once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page, Success. Now, your account verification email has been sent to your email. Please open this email and verify your account. Now, this should be sent within the next 15 minutes. However, you might need to look in your junk mail folder. Now, looking at your email, you can see this is the email you'll be looking at. And then you want to click this button here, Verify Account, from the Grabify team. And now, your account has been activated. You can now log in. Now, using the same email and password, you can now log in. And then you'll be taken to the privacy policy and terms of service update. Once again, make sure to read through both the privacy policy, seen here, and the term of service, seen here. And finally, if you agree with all these, you must continue. And then your Grabify account has been created. Here you can track your URLs, your total clicks, links added this month, and monthly trend analysis. Be careful not to click certain ads that pop up here, as Grabify is sponsored from Google AdSense. Make sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful. If you have any other questions about Grabify, please leave a comment down below and we can make a video about your problem. Thank you for watching.